Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to clear the replace tune or error in Brother 2540DW DCP2540DW. First of all, look at this. It says that replace tune or in Brother 2540DW. First of all, pull this cartridge tuner cover, then press OK for 5 to 10 seconds. After pressing this, the screen it comes replace drum. Now press plus button, it will accept it. Again press OK button for 10 seconds. It will say replace drum. Now click on start button, the screen will be blank. Then press plus button 10 times. Okay, again OK button, start button, then plus button 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. It has become 10. Then click OK, it will be accepted. Close the front cover, then the machine will be done. Reset it successfully, the error will be gone. Now look at this, it is ready to print.